If your only source of income in Nigeria is your salary, you are one emergency away from being broke. In today's Nigeria, with rising prices, unstable economy, and job uncertainty, depending on one income stream is financial suicide. So let's talk about how to build multiple legit income streams in Nigeria that actually work. For the first time, I am Immaculata, a certified financial advisor with over 7 years of experience helping people build their financial freedom. To make sure you get every single strategy, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. You don't want to miss what we are sharing next. So today, I will show you practical and realistic ways you can start building multiple income streams, even if you're starting small. So let's get straight into it. Number one, your primary source of income first. That is your base before adding new streams. You have to stabilize that your main source of income. If it is a job, you have to become excellent at it. Excellence attracts, opportunities, promotion, commissions, or even side contract. So that is your first stream. Then number two is what? Start a side business. Start small but smart. Sell what people need, not what everyone is selling. Think thrift, fashion, maybe mini importation, foodstuff, resale, POS services, or even airtime vending. So you don't need millions. All you need is what? Strategy and consistency and customer trust. That's all you need. And number three is offer a skill-based service. So if you can write, design, do social media management, or even teach, monetize it online. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even WhatsApp can bring clients to your phone. Service income is flexible and also scalable. Then number four, invest in digital assets or content creation. You can see I have a YouTube channel. So you can actually create a YouTube channel, post your videos, ebooks, online courses that pay you passively. You don't need to be a celebrity. You just need valuable knowledge or experience to share your knowledge, your experience to people. Then number five, passive income investment. Put your money into work. Invest in money market, mutual fund, dividend paying stock. So even with 5,000 naira monthly in money market can actually compound over time. So this is where wealth multiplies quietly. So you need to start that if you don't have it. Then number six, leverage affiliate marketing or referral programs. You see, many Nigerian fintech and investment apps pay for referrals. Piggyvest, Bamboo, Trove, Cowrywise, etc. So share your link, educate people, and also earn commission legally. So you see, personally, I started with one stream and slowly build others. Don't rush it. Just aim at adding one stream, every 6 months. So in 1 year, that is at least 3 steady sources of income. So let's be real. In Nigeria, where most employers are in the private sector, job security is never guaranteed. Building additional streams of income alongside your job can save you in times of job loss. You won't be stranded or even unable to feed your family and pay your bills. And to my civil servants out there, don't waste the free time your job gives you. Use it wisely to create extra income sources. Because if the government delays your salary, you should still be able to survive comfortably. You see? So you need to use your time wisely. You have to start small, be consistent, build wisely. Financial freedom doesn't happen overnight. It happens one stream at a time. So if this inspired you, subscribe to Money Mindset with Ima for weekly videos on how to grow your money, invest smartly, and live financially free in Nigeria. So drop on the comment, which of these income streams will you start this month? And I need you to remember this. Money has a mindset. So think smart, act wisely, and grow your wealth. Thank you.